Hey my Troll Train Riders, welcome back to the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. This installment of this series will be inventory and declutter of eyeliners that I use mostly for lower lash line and inner rims. One of the few brands, if you've been watching my videos, you know this, Nyx Retractable Eyeliners. And I do have a video swatching all of these somewhere on my channel, and it's probably in my makeup collection playlist, which is where this video will end up. But these are all of the Nyx ones that I have, and they are all keepers. Excuse the noise. I'm putting them back home. Another brand that doesn't irritate my eyes, my inner rims, lower lash line, and also upper lash line are the Sephora brand retractable eyeliners. I don't remember when I got these. The Nyx ones are good for 24 months, and so there's plenty of time to use them up. The Sephora ones, it doesn't say, and so I'm going to toss these because I don't know how long I had them, and I don't want to risk irritating my eyes. This is the Danessa Myricks eyeliner. Someone recommended. I purchased it. I was not impressed. You get like half the product, actually like 1/3 of the product or half the product as you do for the Nyx, and it's good for less time and costs like at least 3 times as much as the Nyx. I have only used this like twice, and the pencil part is not smooth at all. I think it would be good if you were using it for upper lash line, but I use the pencil liners, the gel liners, for lower lash line and inner rims, and this just is not enjoyable to use. And because it's just sitting here taking up space, it's no longer taking up space. That's in the trash. This is a Covergirl eyeliner that I purchased for the full face collab video I did with Erica, and for some reason I just haven't used it since then, and I really like the color. It is this shade. I just haven't picked it up since, and I don't know if I'm just used to the Nyx or not. I don't know, but I'm going to hold on to it, and if I don't use it within 2 weeks, this will be in the trash. This here I received in a subscription box. It is Miss Show, I think it's pronounced. It is a pretty color. I did use it maybe twice, haven't used it since, keep forgetting it's here, so that's going in the trash. Because for me, if it's just taking up space and I'm not using it, then it doesn't need to be here. I do not like clutter. I do not like clutter. This is Maybelline Tattoo Studio. I did keep it, which means I did not have an issue with it, but I keep forgetting it's here. And maybe because I just have all the Nyx ones, that is, other stuff just gets lost. And so, even though this is a pretty color, that's going in the trash. Also, Nyx ones are retractable, which I really like too, so I don't feel like I'm wasting product having to sharpen something. And so that is it for eyeliners, except for MAC's Paint Pot and Black Mirror. And we're going to talk about this again when we get to eyeshadow primers and eyeshadow bases. But I wanted to mention it because I do use this as an eyeliner for upper lash line, and also MAC's Dip Down, which is a brown, and this is the Fluid line. While we're on eyeliner still, this came in a subscription box. I think I used it twice, haven't used it again, so that'll go in the trash. And I believe that's it. No, it's not. I'm lying to you, and I am so sorry. The other 2 eyeliners that I have, both are Fenty Beauty. One is Cause I'm Black, and one is in Big Truffle. Big Truffle to me shows up more burgundy. Like here it looks like it would be brown. And burgundy is a shade of brown, but it's more reddish than I thought it was going to be. So, and this one is the black one. So the black one is just silver, and in Big Truffle, the brown burgundy one has that color. And so I'm definitely keeping those. And so that'll be it for this portion of the video, and you will see me again soon. Let me know what you think so far of this series. If you feel like you need to declutter, if you have too much stuff, or if you're now realizing you have stuff that you're not using, or have you not even done an inventory, like to just sit down and go through each category of makeup items that you have, because that's possible. Because some of you have a lot of stuff. My collection is relatively small, so I'm not going to keep babbling for this video. I'm just looking around at the stuff because all of my stuff is right here, which is great because I can see everything, even though some stuff gets forgotten. So I'm going to go, but let me know what you think. If you have any of these products that I'm talking about, if you use them, you like them, you tried them, you didn't like them. So yeah, that'll be it, and you'll see me in the next video.